Hey everyone, welcome to another live from the workshop. So something a bit different. This is a Paradigm Dalek, but as you can see, he's not a 5-inch, not quite a 12-inch, because this was previously a bubble bath thing I had got for my birthday. So I thought I've had this model lying around for a while, so I thought, why not do something with it? But something I just want to show you first is you might have one of these yourselves. This one's been empty for quite a while, but this is the first time I've opened it. And I noticed something. Obviously the Dalek's quite big and bulky and you look like you get a lot of bubble bath out of it, but when you remove it, that's the size of the bottle. I'm slightly doing this, if I'm honest, to name and shame, well not to name, but to shame the manufacturer, in that this is a classic example of where you pay money for something that is just, you know, you don't get what you think you're getting. So that's a little bit of a swizz. But anyway, for this, I'm actually going to do a classic livery. I'm going to do it in the same sort of classic style as an old Supreme, which had blue spheres, black with blue spheres. So that's what I'm going to do, so let's get on with this. And here is my Paradigm in classic colours. I trimmed the lights down as well, just to give it a bit of a look. The paint job's not as neat as I'd like to, but the plastic's slightly different to what I'm used to working with, because obviously it's made to go in a bathroom. But overall, I think it's come out pretty well. I am pretty pleased with it. So as always, like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.